For sites that sell products in multiple countries, content can appear in many languages, and both default currencies and shipping policies can vary. Let's explore how to present the correct country and language options to users based on their location to facilitate a smoother product finding and checkout. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 239 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Consider using IP geotargeting to select country and language. During testing, we observed two main ways to handle country and language selection. First, auto-detecting country and language using geotargeting. And second, showing a dedicated splash page or overlay dialog before the homepage loads. Auto-detection of location by IP geotargeting allows country and language preferences to be set automatically. The benefit is that it's seamless. The user can start browsing the site immediately without interruption. However, the downside is that it can sometimes select the wrong country or language, for example, if a user is using a VPN service. The alternative is a splash page, where users select their country and language before the homepage loads. This method ensures the settings are accurate, but it does interrupt the user experience. For example, because Louis Vuitton ships to many countries, their splash page users need a little more time to find and select their countries. However, users will have little difficulty setting their preferences because of the simple layout and absence of clutter. However, during testing, splash pages did cause minor annoyance. Some users felt that they were needless. Geotargeting is widely implemented, and when splash pages are shown, users will be unexpectedly interrupted, given that on many other sites, country and language selection is automatic. So, although splash pages are acceptable, they are not the optimal solution. Sometimes, users may need to switch from the current country and language settings. For example, the geotargeting might have been inaccurate, or they may have selected the wrong settings by mistake. For example, Smyths makes it easy for users to change their country and language with simple flag icons at the top of the page. These are just a few highlights from our research findings. For more in-depth insights on optimizing your homepage, explore over 40 guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.